Hello seniors, you are welcome to our online lessons. I'm Sir Sule, Ammonia Farmboy. In your previous videos, you learned the introduction of percentages. That's expressing percentages as fractions, expressing fractions as percentages, and expressing decimals as percentages. Today we are going to look at application of percentages. We're going to continue from the application of percentages. The first is percentage increase. Is the increase in percentage of an item. That percentage increase is equals to increment over original amount times 100%. Is equals to increment over original amount times 100%. 100%. We have a very nice question here. The cost of a dress changes from 50 Ghana cedis to 75 Ghana cedis. The cost of a dress changes from 50 Ghana cedis to 75 Ghana cedis. We have to find the percentage increase. The first, you find the increment. So increment is equal, it was 50 and change 75, so we cancel the 5 minus 50. That gives us 25. So the percentage increase now becomes the increment, that is 25 over the original amount, it was 50. So 50 times 100%. So 50 cancel 7, cancel 100, 2 times 25, that is 50%. So it means that there's a 50% increase in the cost of the dress. The next question is, or the next application is percentage decrease. That is the decrease in percentage of an item and is equal to the decrement of the original amount times 100%. And I have an example here. If the price of a diesel per liter decreased from 21.30 Ghana cedis in 2019 during the COVID-19 to 10.50 Ghana cedis in 2026, we have to find the percentage decrease. Percentage decrease. How do you solve this? So we know that the decrement is equal to 21.30 minus 10.50. The decrement. So this is equal to 10.8 Ghana cedis. So to find the percentage decrease is equal to a decrement, that is 10.8 over the original value of 21.30 times 100%. 100%. When you press it, you get 50.7%. This is the increase or the decrease in the percentage of the price of a liter of petrol. Very nice example. Now look at commission. Commission is a fee or a percentage of a sale amount paid to a salesperson or an agent for facilitating the sale of goods or services. That is to boost your morale, to sell more. The more you sell, the more you get your percentage. It is usually calculated as the percentage of the total sales made. Example, a Tiahene sold some calculators for 9,200 Ghana cedis. He received a commission of 5%. How much did he get? Very simple question. So let's see how much Tiahene got the sales. So the first is the commission rate is 5%. So it means that you're going to get 5% of the 9,200, which equals to 5 over 100 times 9,200. When you press this, you get 460 Ghana cedis. It means that actually you get 460 Ghana cedis as a cool price for the calculator that you sold. Very nice question. Next is, Amina sold some food items worth 1,500 Ghana cedis by giving 9% commission to the agent. As define A, the commission should pay to the agent, then B, amount received by Amina. Very simple question. So we're going to look at how much the agent received and how much is left for Amina. So the first thing is find the commission given to the agent. So commission A, commission is equal to 9% of 1,500 Ghana cedis. So let's find this. So we count 9/100 times 1,500. When you press this, you get 135 Ghana cedis. 135 Ghana cedis. This is the amount given to the agent. We're going to look at how much Amina also received. Amina received 1,500 minus the one given to the agent. So when you press this, you get 1,365.00 Ghana cedis. This is the amount Amina bought. Next question. Our next application, discount. A discount is a reduction in the original price of a product or service. It is often offered to encourage purchases and is usually expressed as a percentage of the original price. So when you go to mall, I know some of you go to mall to buy things. When you buy an item that is more than 450 Ghana cedis, on Wednesdays, yes, they will give you a discount of 10% on those items. So I even enjoyed some to the 3rd December, I went to the mall and bought some items. I enjoyed that. So example, Foku bought a fan which originally cost 950 Ghana cedis. If a discount of 12% is allowed on the mark price, find the A, discount allowed. Define the discount allowed on the items. Discount allowed on the items. So we have a discount is equal to 12% of 950 Ghana cedis. 12% of 950 Ghana cedis. That is equal to 12/100 times 950 Ghana cedis. Equals to, don't forget that the sign, the cedi sign. 12/100 times 950 Ghana cedis becomes 114. You can press it and check. Let's see. This is a discount allowed on the items. We have to find the selling price. We have to find the selling price of the fan. Selling price of the fan. So selling price equals to, the fan was to be sold at 950, and Foku received 114 as a discount just for free. So when you subtract 114 from 950, you will get how much the fan was, or the item was sold. You get 836.00. Don't forget the Ghana cedi sign and the 00. When you write 836 Ghana cedis, you are wrong. So you should have the cedi sign plus the 00 to get the full marks for that. Next. At Melcom Shopping Mall, a discount of 20% is allowed on an item selling at 900 Ghana cedis. At Melcom Shopping Mall, a discount of 20% is allowed on an item selling at 900 Ghana cedis. Define the mark price. What was the original price before they sold it at 900 Ghana cedis? Very simple question. Let's see how we can solve it together. We have two methods. So I'll show you the two methods and you pick the one that is easier for you. Method 1 is we let the mark price equals to S. Mark price equals to S. Then the discount allowed, discount is equals to 20% of the mark price S. Let's find 20% of S. So we have 20 over 100 times S. That is 0.2 S. This is the discount allowed. 0.2 S. We have this nice formula. Take note of this. Selling price is equals to market price. Market price minus discount. Look at this formula. Take note of this formula. It's very powerful. Selling price equals to market price minus discount. So let me put them to form an equation, then we solve it. So the selling price here is 900 for the question. Is equals to the market price is S minus discount is 0.2 S. So to solve this equation, S minus 0.2 is 0.8 S divided 2 by 0.8 by 0.8. We have S equals to 1125. That is, this is the amount the item was to be sold originally. So the item was sold at doing the Ghana cedi sign 1125. Don't forget the 0.00. It's a very nice question. Method 1. Let's move to method 2. Method 2, we use if less more divide. We use if less more divide. And that is, we let the market price equals to 100%. The market price equals 100%. It's same as the catalog. It's same as catalog price. That's the original price. It has not been reduced 100% full. So we say that, and we say that the selling price, there will be a reduction of 10%. So we have 100 minus 20, 4%. That is equals to 80%. Then we set up the if clause. So we say that if 80% is equal to the selling price of the item 900, then the whole market price, catalog price 100% is equal to what? So if 80 equals 900, then 1 equals to, if more, less divide. So 80 will divide 100 with the top times 900. So when you pair this, get the same value. Mass will not lie. 1125.00. So this is the original price of the item before to reduce or so the discount on it of 10%. 1125. 1125.00. Very nice question. So look which of the methods do you like? Is it method 1? Method 1. Let the market price equals S. Discount equals 20% of S. So find 20% of S, 22S. And use the relation selling price equals to market price minus discount. So the selling price 900 minus equals to S minus 0.2S except for S. Or use method 2. That is, let the market price equal 100%. Always 100%. That is the original price, catalog price. Let's call the original price. Original price. Catalog price or market price are the same. It's 100%. Selling price equals to 100 minus 20. There's a reduction of 20%. So we have 80%. So it means that the item was sold at 80%. So if 80% equals 900, the selling price, then the original price, the market price, the catalog price equals to, if more, let's divide. So 180 times 90. That gives us our 1125. Very nice question. Guys, this is the end of our video. See you in the next lesson. That will be on simple interest and compound interest. Read more on them. This is Ammonia Fanboy as usual. Miss all of you. Bye bye.